Hi, I'm Dr. Rakshitha Shetty and I'm here to share my experience with the School of Cosmetics. From learning about cosmetic products to knowing deeper into their ingredients and formulation, this platform has been an invaluable resource. The School of Cosmetic offers a comprehensive understanding of the cosmetic science. The in-depth discussion on the cosmetic ingredients provide a deeper insight, empowering me to not just understand what I'm using but why I'm using. They also have a section of blog content. With the help of that, I have been able to create more informed and engaging content thanks to all the insights that I've gained from School of Cosmetics. The training and the courses that are available are quite well structured, whether it is understanding of the different formulations or identifying the key ingredients. In conclusion, my journey with School of Cosmetics has been nothing but incredible and quite transformative. If you're passionate and an enthusiast of cosmetics just like I am, I would highly recommend you to follow the page called School of Cosmetics.